Hello everyone. On behalf of bookmytutor.in, Pooja Gupta here. I just want to share some information regarding Olympiad exams. So, all the parents, if you are interested to make your child to write the Olympiad exams, the notification has already released and it has come from the school also, some of the schools, and you required to fulfill for this exam online, and this year all Olympiad exam will be online. There will be no offline exam this year as because of coronavirus situations. All the exams will be conducted online, and there is dates about dates in the last video also I have discussed, and now from the SOF Foundation they has released the dates regarding it is for international IGQ exam, which will be conducted for 7th and 8th November for class 1 to 10th. Okay, and for international English Olympiad exam, which will be conducted on 28th and 29th November. There are two dates they have released, and out of that any one date school can choose, or they'll decide which date will become. So when you will get admit card, in that they might declare the date. Okay, and National Science Olympiad exam, that is on 9th and 10th January, and International Math Olympiad, which will be conducted on 23rd and 24th January. So these dates are released by SOF. According to the school where my son is studying, HCL Gyan Jyoti School, so this information has come from there. You can have to go through your schools to get this information. You can contact to the school teachers or their coordinators who is dealing with about Olympiad exams, and you can get more information from them. Okay, and regarding this about the registration, how can you do registration? All the student register for exam and also for registration fee from their home. No need to go to schools. There is a registration fee is 150 rupees per exam, and if you want online books, which it's called e-books, you can purchase by their website by using some link will be given there, and that cost is 80 rupees per subject. Okay, so this is the information has come up. And regarding the registration, how can we pay the fees? So there is the direct registration by students has to done from their home itself, and they can pay the fees. There is a link given. I will share this link in the description, as well as I will share on the screenshot. So there is a http://pages-rojapay.com/science-olympiad. So this is the registration pay link is given. And hello parents, and there is one important information. This exam will be conducted through your school code. So when you fill the details, you have to fill your school code. So you must contact for that your school, or if you have with you, it's good. So you have to fill the school code. Just example like K4980, like that school code will be there. And last day for the payment for this school, that is 30th September 2020. So this is the information which I have got it. And regarding the final date, it will come in your, I think, admit card. And you can also your school will release for the final dates. Okay, so this is the information which I want to share it. And I have already given you the video before itself regarding why we need Olympiad exams, and why children need to write Olympiad exams. as well as I have last video I have discussed about the whatever the exam date has declared before. So you kindly go through that video also, and it is very much helpful for the children to write the Olympiad exam, and they can see their the practice level, what is their performance, all these things they will come by the Olympiad exams, and they can judge their knowledge. And there is a time limit to solve the question, the difficult question. There's a level basic level 1 and level 2 also there, where difficult questions will be there. So these type of things which will help for your child to understand the subject also, and what kind of difficulty they are facing it. Okay, parents. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed our channels, you can subscribe it, because I have almost finished all the 12 chapter of IMO class 2. And we are going to solve some practice paper now, that is called as your you can say the mock papers. We will solve it. And when you subscribe the channel, don't forget to press the bell button, because you'll get the notification only once you press the bell button. And if you like this video, you can give a thumbs up, and you can share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So this is the exam date list for the IGQ, IEO, NSO and IMO. And in this page there is a detail how to pay the fees, and link is given, and the rest all detail is given. Thank you. Thanks for watching.